today I am going to give you some tips regarding MS Word. It will help you to organize and work on fast track basis. So if you look at the document, normally you are going to change your text from here. Let's say I'm going to choose Times New Roman in 12 size. This is how normally you do. So I'm going to show you another way so you don't have to change your text every time. So first of all you need to do is you go to home page and then you click here. It will open up a new window. So you are going to choose a font style from here. I am going to choose Times New Romans. So Times New Romans regular 12. I am going to click on default. I am going to check the option all documents based on the normal template. So I will click OK. Now it will change my complete document into Times New Roman, and whenever I am going to open a new document, the default text will be Times New Roman. Let's have a look. There is a blank document and you see my font style is Times New Roman. So that was my first tip. Okay, let's move to second tip. Now you see there is formatting difference between paragraphs. This is with a different style and the second and the third para is with different style. I'm going to put the bullets. When I'm going to put the bullets, it will change the settings. So it is very much difficult to work on 50 or 40 pages and you have to every time you have to align your text. So I'm going to use the Format Painter to show you. See, this has automatically converted the text into above chosen formatting style. So that's how Format Painter work. Now I am going to show you another example. I am going to put headings in the text and I am going to show you how Format Painter can help you regarding the heading styles. If you have 30, 20 or even more pages, it becomes very difficult. So Format Painter made your job so easy. You should use Format Painter. Let's put the bullet numbering. I am going to show you I'm going to align it, then underline it, bold it. Okay, good, fine. Now I am going to again choose Format Painter, click on it. You see, you don't worry about the style headings, so heading style is automatically changed. Let's move to the third tip. Okay, what is our next step? You see the font is in upper and lower case difference. The first heading first letter is uppercase and second heading first alphabet is in lowercase. So I am going to change it. You have to do it manually. You delete the H and going to press caps and again going to type an H. So I am not going to do it. I am going to use Shift F3. When I am going to use Shift F3, it will automatically change the upper to lowercase, lower to uppercase. So it's become so simple. I am selecting it, Shift F3, and you see it has automatically converted it into lowercase. Again Shift F3, you see. So that's so simple. So I'm going to show you another tip. When you're going to insert a table, you normally do it from here. So I am going to give it some serial numbers, so I have to type it manually. If you type manually, it will take time, and if you have 30-20 rows, it will be pretty much difficult to do it so quickly. I am going to show you a tip. I am going to delete it, and I am going to do it from bullet numbering. So I am selecting it, and let's say I'm going to choose this one. So you see, if you have many rows, you can do it from here. You can drag here and there, and you can make it aligned. So this is so simple. The next step. Okay, let's moving to the next step. When you see this document, there are some grammatical or spelling mistakes in the document. When you have 20-30 pages, it becomes difficult to read all the spellings. So I'm going to use a auto function here. So what it is, I'm going to click on review button and spelling and grammar. So you see on very right side of your window, and there is option I can check my spelling. It will automatically detect wrong spellings or grammatical mistakes. So I am going to amend it from here. So if you have a long document, you can do it so quickly. You see? Okay, so what is my next step? So when you have a document which have a lot of pages, and you found that a certain word should be changed within another word, so I am going to choose find and replace option. It will help you to delete, change and replace your word with another word. You can see I am going to search 2. When I am going to click on results, it will show you the results. There are some other options. I'm going to click here. When I am going to click here, I am going to use the replace. So I am going to replace my 2 option with some word. Let's say I am going to choose D. I am going to replace 2 with the THES. So I am going to click on find next. It will find wherever 2 is there. Okay, this is, you see, so just I am clicking on replace, it will automatically replace the words. So do like my video or subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.